Bonjour! In this video, you're going to learn how to use WordReference.com. Comment utiliser WordReference.com. You've seen this before in this course. This is what we're going to use to practice using WordReference.com. So let's take a look at the second sentence. He arrived at the stadium with his bat and saw so many fans in the stands. This sentence is tricky to translate because there are a lot of words with multiple meanings. For example, the word fans. That can mean a lot of different things. It can mean people that are excited to see a musician or a sports team. It could be something that you put on when you're too hot and it blows air on you. All sorts of things. So let's pretend I know all the words in this sentence in French except for the word fans. So here is my missing word. We're going to look it up in WordReference. On y va. When you get to wordreference.com, you're going to check to see that the languages are as you want them. If not, you press the two little arrows to switch between French and English or the drop-down menu. And then in goes the word you're looking for. Okay, WordReference is going to show you several things here. Principale traduction, these are the main translations of the word fan. You can see the part of speech that the word belongs to. So this is a noun. And then it's going to give you an explanation of this translation of the word, this meaning of the word. And this is a device that blows air. Definitely not the kind of fan we are looking for in that sentence. Let's go to the next one. Waved in hand. That also does not sound right, so I keep going. A sports enthusiast. Yes, that is the kind of fan I'm talking about. If I think that's right, I go next to the sample phrases, and that's going to give me an example of how this word would be used in a sentence to make sure I'm using it in the same way. He is a fan of Real Madrid. Yes, that is a soccer team. So this is the same way I'm using fan. And so then here are the translations. And we can see that there's a masculine noun and a feminine noun for fan, which is supporter and supportrice. Excellent. I know my word. I can go back to my sentence and put it in. Supporter. Il est arrivé au stade avec sa batte et a vu beaucoup de supporters dans les gradins. I can be confident that I have the right word. Très bien.